Hi, Vasco Spirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I want to show you a way to get out of sync regarding to modulation. Let's say I'm working on this synth and I want to make a modulation into the cutoff frequency from the autofilter. I want to get close to a 16th note of modulation, but not exactly so it doesn't get boring. I can set the rate to 3 and do it by ear, but if I want to know exactly the value of a 16th note at 90 BPMs, we can use one of the multiple delay calculators that are on the internet. I like to use this because it gives me time divisions in milliseconds and in hertz. For 90 BPMs, a 16th note is around 6 hertz. So if I go a little lower or higher than 6 Hz, it's going to create what I called a drift on the LFO. In this way we can break the monotony of a synced modulation. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.